Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get invitation code in TestFlight. So let's start. So TestFlight is a way of app developers to get help testing their maybe not completely ready to use apps. TestFlight, it's not right before you buy mechanisms for apps. So if helping debug a potentially buggy app, it's interesting to you to contact the app vendor you are seeking to assist with your debugging and testing, and inquire if they are currently running a beta for the app. The app vendor creates the app, and if there is a beta, and a beta using TestFlight is maintaining the beta and TestFlight codes. Now, the answer is the same. If you wanna get the invitation, you have to contact the developer and request access to their TestFlight beta. If the game developer is currently conducting a beta using TestFlight and is interested in your assistant, they can provide the code. It's the only way to do it, guys, because if you don't have the invitation code, well, you can get it. Only with the developer you can get this. So that's the way to do it, guys. As you can see, well, the app is beta and is already available to your app already within the TestFlight. Contact the app vendor, and that's how you can get the invitation code to the TestFlight. So I hope this information helps you guys. If you get this, please write in the comments how you can get it, and also tell us if you have troubles with this. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.